This is your 1 minute Taga-Kaulo basic words. Madyaw masalam. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Maayong buntag. Madyaw masalam kanmo. Good morning to you. Magandang umaga sa'yo. Maayong buntag diha kanimo. Good morning kamayo lahat. Kasi good morning kamayo lahat. Take 2. Madyaw masalam kamayo lahat. Or madyaw masalam kadeg mayo. Good morning to all of you. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. So that's all. Please comment, like, and share kung saan kayo ngayon o saan nakarating ang aking video. Goodbye!